Hello everyone. Do you know bamboo tree? Actually, it is not tree. It is one type of grass with woody stem. It is fast growing plants. Daily it is growing over 1 meter. And do you know students, there are 1500 uses have been documented for bamboo. For example, bamboo is used to make clothes, to feed animals, to build houses and to make many household things. And do you know it is used to make bamboo curry to eat us? Yes, bamboo curry is one famous story in South India and it is liked by the people over India. So let's start to read and learn this story. Bamboo curry. Have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? Let's read this picture story and find out which part of bamboo can be cooked and eaten. So let's start to read story. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. In this story, there is one Santhal named bridegroom, and once he went to his mother-in-law's house. Mother-in-law's house means his wife's mother's house, and she make a special dish for him when he visited her. This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. After eating delicious curry dish, he asked to mother-in-law, "What is it?" She shown him bamboo door. She pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, when he was about to leave for his village, he remembered that there is no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." Students, you can observe in the picture how this Santhal bridegroom carrying bamboo door. When Santhal bridegroom remember there is no any bamboo tree in his village to make bamboo curry, so he removed the bamboo door of his mother-in-law's house and carrying it with him left for his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry of this bamboo door." And she was shocked. How can make curry out of a bamboo door? "Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo," he said. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." Santhal bridegroom's wife was shocked. How to make curry out of a bamboo door? So Santhal said to his wife, "Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo." So he chopped the bamboo and his wife boiled it and boiled it. After boiling, he tasted it and he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook this bamboo." After that, his wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" Santhal's wife added more water in bamboo to boil it and boiled it. At that time, the in-laws of Santhal came to visit the young couple, means to visit them that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "You don't know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" Student, you should observe the pictures. From picture, you can understand better. Bamboo shoot means young growing bamboo eaten as a vegetable. Students, do you know this bamboo shoot? If you don't know, you want to find out newly growing bamboo grass. Next, we will see exercise of this lesson. Let's write. You want to write these questions in notebook. Complete the sentences meaningfully. The bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of bamboo and there was no bamboo in his village. Second one. The bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because it is too hard to eat. Now we will see next word hunt. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. So let's start. First, the bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. Second one, the mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Third one, he stayed the night with his in-laws. Fourth one, he carried the bamboo door back with him. Fifth one, the curry was made from bamboo shoots. Now you want to see, say aloud. You want to say these words with me. Impatient, delicious, boiled, chopped, bamboo. Students, I hope you have understood this short story. For better understanding, you want to observe the pictures of this story. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.